Have you ever wanted to create a beautiful lavender bouquet that never fades? In this video, I'll show you how to make realistic lavender flowers using just pipe cleaners and a few simple materials. Perfect for gifts, decor, or just a relaxing craft. First, gather your materials: scissors, floral tape, pipe cleaners, and a floral stem. Small lavender flower. Start by taking one pipe cleaner and twisting it around your floral stem. Leave about 1 centimeter free at each end. Once you've wrapped it, gently press the ends together and slide it off the stem. Repeat this step with a second pipe cleaner. Next, straighten the 1 centimeter ends on both pieces you've just made. Place the 2 twisted pipe cleaners together and gently stretch them until they reach your desired length. Now, fold the pipe cleaners in half at the center and twist them together to secure the shape. At the ends, you'll have 4 loose strands. Take 1 strand at a time and twist it around the base to secure everything firmly. This forms the top of your lavender flower. You can bend and shape it slightly to give it a more natural look. Separate the remaining 3 strands at the end. Then take your floral stem and carefully push it up through the center of these strands. Wrap floral tape around the base to attach the flower securely to the stem. As you move down the stem, you can add leaves or foliage if you like. Larger lavender flower. For the second lavender, we'll make a slightly larger version. Take 2 pipe cleaners and twist them together at the ends. Do the same with another 2 pipe cleaners, so you have 2 thicker pieces. Now, wrap 1 set around the floral stem, just like before, leaving 1 centimeter at each end. Be extra careful when you reach the center, where the pipe cleaners join, as this area can come apart. Gently guide it as you wrap. Once finished, press the ends together and slide it off the stem. Repeat the same process with the second piece. Next, straighten the ends of both twisted pieces. Gently stretch them, again being careful not to pull too hard at the center. Before folding, twist the middle section slightly to secure where the pipe cleaners join. Then fold the piece in half and twist it together to form the lavender shape. Wrap the ends around the base to secure everything in place. Finally, insert your floral stem through the center of the lavender and wrap floral tape around the base to attach it. Add leaves or foliage along the stem as desired. And that's it. You now have 2 beautiful pipe cleaner lavender stems, one small and one larger for variety. You can make more lavender stems to build a full bouquet and mix them with other pipe cleaner flowers like lilies, cherry blossoms, sunflowers, and daffodils. If you'd like to learn how to make those, be sure to check out my other videos for step-by-step tutorials.